Hello and welcome guys. In this basic and quick video, we will learn how to disable play video at lower resolution when on battery in Windows 11. So guys, to make this setting, click on Start, Settings, now here select Display, then HDR, now here is the setting Video Playback, select it. Now deselect this box Play video at a lower resolution when on battery. So just guys, you have to deselect this box, then close and restart. So this way guys, you can disable play video at lower resolution when on battery in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.